Hi everyone, welcome back to the build. In this video we're gonna finish up our garage. So in the last video you'd have seen that we've put a shelf underneath the bed, which we've put some baskets on. So we've had a delivery arrive of some 9mm, so we're gonna be able to finish up the garage. And yeah, we've also got a couple of cool little bits to show you, such as our new welcome mat, but we'll show you the rest later on in the video.
Before we get started, we wanted to do a giveaway. So to celebrate hitting 1,500 subscribers on YouTube and 1,000 followers on Instagram, we wanted to give away 2 feather buntings. So these are from my Etsy store. So if you don't already know, I do macrame, so like wall hangings, key rings, all sorts really, so fibre art. So yeah, we're giving away 2 of these. So for the first entry, all you have to do is comment #vanlife on this video, and it would also help us out if you could give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. And for the second entry, head over to Instagram to see our latest post, where you can also be in with a second chance to win.
And we'll announce the winners in our next video, so keep an eye out for that. Alright, let's get back to the build. So the first thing we need to do is house off the electric. So we're going to close off the batteries, but also make it accessible at the same time. So we'll figure out as we go along, but first let's cut this sheet of 9mm. Alright, so we've cut that bit of wood there, which is going to house that side of the batteries. And then we've already got our bodyboards in to see how much room we've got there, and the toolbox as well. It doesn't quite fit in here, so we're thinking maybe to put it up here. And then yeah, we're just taking this bit of wood off because it doesn't actually provide any structural support. I can't remember why we put it there, to be honest. But yeah, so this is coming off because we couldn't get the toolbox in and out here without this being in the way. So we're taking that off now. So it's just decided to shower. We've had to run and get everything in, you know, especially the power tools and the wood. So that's all in. So we're gonna do a couple of indoor jobs. So you've noticed that the cladding, instead of staggering it, how we've sort of like laid it out, we've just done ends to end, which means there's a line that, I don't know if you can see it, basically goes all across the ceiling. And what we've done is get a little, what do you call it? It's just a bit of trim. Yeah, it's basically like a semicircle bit of trim that we're just gonna lay across it to neaten it off a little bit, make it a little bit tidier. All right, that lasted all of 10 seconds, but still. All right, there's the trim. We're gonna wood glue it, but we need to figure out a way how to keep it attached to the ceiling as the glue's drying. But we're gonna leave it now. As it stopped raining, you know, we're gonna take advantage and go and finish the garage. Now, we're gonna close this bit off. So before we get to the batteries, we're gonna close this bit off. So this is where, yeah, Rosie's gonna sleep. So she's got a lot of room.
Okay, so what we've decided to do is cover up all this back bit here, so just with a piece of wood, and then because we need to be able to get to the electrical bits, so this bit here we're going to cut like a little door out of, which means that we can also maybe put like some hooks across this bit here so we can hang bags or whatever.
We are really battling with the rain today. We couldn't do anything yesterday because it's raining, and now it's pouring down again, so back inside.
Okay, so it's a new day, and I'm just going to put some wooden battens going along the side in here. It's just so the baskets don't slip off, and just so that when we do put them in and out, it just runs along them nicely. We're just going to wait until our other 2 baskets arrive before we actually fix them into place. So we're just going to cut another piece of wood to go about here. so that we can enclose the electrics. So we've got our wood that goes across there, and then we'll have like a door here and also a door here, just so all of that is enclosed. Okay, so that is going to be fixed into place there. We've cut a little notch in the corner for the wires to go through. We are going to get some conduit eventually to put all that into. And now we're just going to cut a piece of wood for the door that's going to go in here. Okay, so that's basically what it is going to look like. We just need to trim this piece back so that the door can actually open properly. And then we'll just have to put a door down here so that we can access the electrics that are behind that.
Alright, so we've just done a bit of hoovering to tidy it all up. And now, because we've got our brackets have arrived, we're going to start fixing things into place. So we're going to start with Rosie's bedroom area. So we've just fixed all of that into place. So this is where Rosie's going to be sleeping for the most part. And now we're going to continue with the rest of the garage.
Okay, so that's all the wood cut out for those bits. We're not actually going to attach it all yet because there's still little bits of the electrics that we still need to do. So at the moment we just want easy access to it, so we're going to leave them off for a minute. And now I've got something I'm really excited to show you, which are these. So I found these on eBay. I was looking for some kind of like laser cut wood, and then I came across this seller that did like all different kinds. So we've got like the seaside theme here, so I absolutely love these, they're really cool. Yeah, so we've got them for the kitchen doors here, so we'll just have to cut out the inside and then put some glue on, and they will be attached on there. And we've also got one down here, so same theme, a little square one, so that one's going to go on there. Before we do actually glue them on, we're going to spray them, so we're thinking like a sandy kind of colour to go with our theme in the van. So the outside is going to be white, just like the kitchen cupboards, and then these nice sandy colour inside. Okay, so that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to our channel to see more.
Oh, and don't forget to enter our giveaway. So remember, all you have to do is comment #vanlife down in the comments below.
And we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.